Professional indemnity insurers versus risk management advisors. Which one is better for creative firms? Most creative firms assume that professional indemnity insurance alone is enough to protect their business. The surprising truth is that relying solely on coverage can leave gaps that risk management advisors are uniquely positioned to address. Professional indemnity insurers provide financial protection against claims of negligence, errors, or omissions. For example, if a design agency delivers a project that unintentionally infringes on someone's intellectual property, the insurer can cover legal costs and potential damages. This protection is essential for safeguarding the firm's balance sheet and avoiding bankruptcy in high-stakes claims. However, insurance only pays out after a problem occurs. It doesn't prevent the problem from happening in the first place. Risk management advisors, on the other hand, focus on preventing claims before they arise. They assess operational processes, contracts, client expectations, and internal workflows to identify vulnerabilities. For instance, they may implement project review protocols or contract clauses that minimize liability exposure, ensuring the firm operates safely and efficiently. The work reduces the likelihood of claims rather than just covering them financially. The key difference is reactive coverage versus proactive prevention. Insurers respond after a claim, risk advisors prevent claims from arising in the first place. Most creative firms benefit from combining both: insurance for financial security and advisory support for operational resilience. For example, a digital marketing agency might use risk management guidance to standardize client approvals and protect against misunderstandings, while maintaining indemnity insurance for unexpected litigation. The takeaway is simple: professional indemnity insurance is vital, but without a risk management strategy, creative firms leave themselves exposed. The surprising truth is that businesses that integrate both services not only protect their finances, but also strengthen client trust, operational efficiency, and long-term sustainability. In the creative industry, prevention plus protection is always better than protection alone.